Understanding these three terms related to income tax in France, what you will pay and how it is calculated. Let's look at the difference between tax deduction, tax reduction, and tax credit. First, tax deduction. You pay child support to your ex-wife of 300 euros per month, which is 3,600 euros per year. Let's say your taxable base used to calculate your income tax this year is 20,000 euros. After the deduction, the base on which your income tax is calculated becomes 20,000 euros minus 3,600 euros, which is the child support. That is 16,400 euros. Your tax will therefore be calculated on 16,400 euros instead of 20,000 euros. In 2026, with a 20,000 euro taxable base, you would have paid about 715 euros in taxes as a single person, whereas with the deduction, you would pay 359 euros. So tax deduction, you reduce the base on which tax is calculated. 2. Tax reduction. Here, the taxable base is not reduced. Instead, the tax you owe is reduced directly. And this is even better than a deduction. In the previous example, where you had to pay 715 euros in taxes, if during the year you made a 1,000 euro donation to support French heritage, eligible for 750 euros tax reduction, then you would pay 0 in taxes. But be careful, 715 euros, what you initially had to pay in taxes, minus 750, the tax reduction, is minus 35 euros. But with the tax reduction mechanism, the tax authorities will not reimburse this 35 euros excess. With tax reduction, you can only reduce your tax up to the amount you owe, not more. So in this example, the 35 euros is lost. Number 3, tax credit. Here, the tax you owe is reduced directly, like tax reduction, and if the credit exceeds the tax owed, the difference is refunded to you. So this is even better than tax reduction. Smile! Still using the example where you owe 715 euros in taxes. During the year, you hired a private math tutor at home for yourself as part of returning to studies. You paid 2,000 euros for math lessons during the year, and the French tax authorities allow you to claim a tax credit of 50% of this amount, that is 1,000 euros. You initially owed 715 euros, but the tax credit is 1,000 euros. 715 minus 1,000 equals minus 275 euros. In this case, the French tax authorities will refund 275 euros to your bank account, which was not the case with the tax reduction.